What? Again. Video.
This one line came from pump rooms. After T, this one line go up above 29. This one line came to down up to basement. This one up to basement 5.
This one going to tank.
The basement. Which one?
This one.
No, this one a sprinkler and pipe system down. Basement 2, basement 3, basement 5. Yes, it's here. You see, here 20 bar. After, see, downside adjust. Downside. But above this one, upper floor up to level 15, it's separate PRV. After level 15, it's no have any PRV. It's each floor up to 29. If we go now, here 20. If we go level 29, we reach 8 bar. But after this one, nearest floor have PRV, zone control valve and PRV. We require design pressure adjust with PRV.
It should be PRV is
level 17 to above don't have any PRV. Up to level 16 have PRV. Each zone, each floor separate PRV.
No, the PRV means in the system. The existing water should be go back to the tank, right?
No, it's black, not go tank. It's will be go drain.
Yeah, it's going to drain.
Yes.
We need the system required 13 bars, right? If going 15 bars, the system
No,
goes
it's
15
not,
bars.
no, 15
What
bars.
I mean, if going to, it should be going
It's
to
mean
drain.
automatically go
Automatically
drain.
discharge
Using the
excess
PRV.
pressure.
PRV not PRV. If for example come above level 1, come I will show you upside. There have PRV. If we require pressure in, for example, there we have in line 20 bar pressure. But floor we need 8 bar pressure.
Yes.
We adjust 8 bar pressure with PRV.
Yes.
Each floor.
Reducer to.
Each floor there is PRV.
This is
Yes, each
reducer
floor
by
there is PRV.
reducer.
Reducer only.
This is PRV. See, the
Each floor is
system
for PRV.
is
No,
20 bar.
it's
If you settings for
It's downside we set.
5, 6 bar.
Yes, it's downside 6 bar. We look at as per design.
This only controlling the pressure.
Controlling the
Yes.
pressure.
Yes.
Not PRV.
PRV
is
separate.
pressure
All
rating.
floor
PRV.
up to from basement.
Our zone
We adjust this one. Level 1 to above we all separate PRV. I will show you. Come with me. I will show
You see
you.
check the landing valve.
I will.
Yes.
Landing valve here.
The landing valve have also this one, but very small.
Yes, this one also landing valve.
Reduce the pressure.
Good. Yes.
This one
Because
from the
main line.
and then you will reduce to the 10 bars, right?
Yes, we reduce.
Because that is the building requirements.
Yes, that is building requirement. That one is pump pressure.
Yes, pump pressure.
Yes, it's pump pressure.
This only reducer.
Yes, it's reduced. We reduce pressure.
We talk
PRV I will show you. Each floor has.
Okay, we'll see the PRV. You'll see.
we are drawing mo na.
Boss, ano masasabi mo sa PRV? Wala akong alam yan.
Wala masabi, kasi wala akong alam eh.
Pareho tayo.
The system
PRV, Philippines Republic Business.
I know possible, but there will no hit here. It's a climb requirement. They not give us this only. They adjust with PRV, and if extra pressure, it will be drained from pump. It's not come affected to line. It's not go about 23 bar. It will throw the tank.
yes.
Only check the
PRV come. I will check.
PRV.
Exercise. Exercise.
Atak mga tropa. Mga tropa. Bahala ka sa PRV. Basta sa sahod dah. Tapos Wildo, may problema. Pungko-pungko. Ay, video repairman. Yung video.
That's what I'm feeling. Yan lang yung maliit na size niya sa visual gauge ka naman.
Why kaso basta ka abot ka na bulan ng amon sildo anay bahala ko da. PRB.
Yes, after adjust. Yeah, it's 6 bar.
Yeah.
Because system inside floor we design system pressure is 6 bar. It's adjusted.
So, it is not no. This is design issue. Don't worry.
Only BRB will be because it's control pressure.
This is the BRB.
User.
Sabi mo?
Mura?
This one is no issue for this one.
Okay.
The pair still in level 15.
Only answer check the
Dapat pa.
No, same. Don't have PRV in mind. This one, auto release valve.
Okay, no problem with that because this is design issue.
This is design, same design. If you take train, same design.
Oh, screw. Need screw. Engineer, mama engineer.
Lama sa akin, sigurado na lang.
Oo.
Saan ba talaga?
This side close. You are going to the other side.
You can exit only in level 16. So, go level 16.
Today exercise day.
No, level 1 here. This is
Yun. Engineer Genesis. Patay tayo sa'yo. Mangmar, wala ka talaga.
Now, what? What do you have to do? Exercise? But this one,
Other one if okay should be same pressure or different.
System, right?
Okay.
Hindi required the pressure in the system is 200 psi.
Okay.
But the building requirements is 150.
So
you will reduce this one. You will
Some
the
down
settings.
as per need this then we can adjust.
Yeah, this is the settings.
Oh, this showing pipe pressure.
Mm.
This showing pressure, need pressure.
And then the building requirements.
Okay. But this curve.
Yan si Engineer Genesis.
Engineer.
Sa gusto matuto dyan ng mga firefighting dyan, contact lang kayo.
5 real. Kira oras.
Yan. Bago kasi itong building na to, kailangan turnover. Bago kasi ito idol, building na to, kailangan turnover, kaya kailangan mag-check.
सारे मिलके खासने का प्लान इनकी ये सभी को वाली किस दे देंगे खासने